Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Band 7 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this smart band with the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to turn on our smart band, and you can do it by pressing and holding the side button. Once you see the Honor logo on the screen, you can release the button and wait until the smart band boots up. Once the smart band boots up, you should see the list of languages on the screen. You can scroll through this list by swiping up and down on the screen. Find the language you would like to use on your smart band, and once you find it, tap on it to select it. And after you select the language, you will need to download and install the Honor Health application on your iPhone. And to do that, you will need to have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the App Store on your iPhone. In the App Store, tap on Search, tap on the search bar and type in Honor Health. And tap on Search. Oh, my bad, I typed in it very badly. Okay, and on the list of applications, you should see this application, Honor Health. Tap on it to select it, then tap on the Get button to download and install it. And once the application is done installing, tap on Open to open it. Then tap Next, Agree, Get Started. And here we can allow ordinary permissions for the steps. So if you want to track these steps in your app and on your smart band, you will need to allow these and then tap on Allow. If you don't care, you can tap on Don't Allow. And if you see this pop-up, you can allow the permission for the location. And at this point, you should see the health page. Now tap on Device, Add Device. You will need to log in into Huawei ID, I believe. Let's check. And yes, you need to. Not Huawei ID, my bad, Honor ID. In my opinion, it's basically the same stuff, but we need to log in into Honor ID. If you don't have an account, you can tap on Register right here to make a new one. I already have one, so I'm gonna tap right here, enter the email address and password. As you can see, I also need to enter the code from the email address. Basically, you need to tap on Obtain Code, and it will send the code to the email address that is associated with your account, and you need to enter that code and right here to confirm that it's your account, basically. Confirm, trust this device, and after you log in, you may see more pop-ups about permissions. If you see the Bluetooth permission, allow it. And here you can allow the permission for the notifications. This is useful if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your smart band. If you don't care, you can deny it. If you want to use this feature, allow it. Right here we can tap on Skip. Then we can tap on Add Device, tap on OK. So basically we need to turn on the Bluetooth. It is turned on now, so you can tap on Add Device. It will start scanning for the nearby devices, and it should detect our Honor Band 7. Once it does, tap on it. Tap on Agree. Tap on the check mark on the smart band. Tap on Pair on your iPhone. Allow ordinary permission for the notifications. Here you can check the box to automatically update your smart band if you like to. And once you're done checking or unchecking the box, tap on Complete. And at this point, you should see the device page, and on it there should be Honor Band 7. You can tap on it. And here we have the settings for our smart band. And that's how you pair this smart band with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.